2-on-1, still cheap.
Yeah, exactly. And now they're taking advantage of the situation even more.
Look at that.
Cover, hooks the outside leg, and a near fall.
Veteran Chief already busting out of his overalls there with all the rules. He's brought Hirio continuing.
Paperboy being yelled at by the official. Situation brewing there, and now
every chance they get. Oh, look at this.
What's this? What's this unique?
He's reading the paper.
What?
He's got Crunchin all tied up.
What's he reading? Garfield?
It could be.
Don't tell me what Don't tell me what happens today. I haven't read that edition yet.
Working on the old crossword. Got all the time in the world with this handicapped scenario.
What's a 5-letter word for breaking the rules? Cheat.
H-E-E-T.
Oh!
Yeah, that works.
Bone
CPS
Crunchin.
education there, folks.
Come on, Bone Crunchin. Trying to get to work here.
Found his opening.
Oh, everybody's down. What?
Oh, wait.
What's going on? Whoa!
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
That's the dynamic dude, Shane Douglas.
Well, I guess it's no longer 1-on-2.
Shane Douglas. Listen to this place.
Absolutely unglued. Stop in Paradise has a third member. He's the third man.
The dynamic dude, Shane Douglas.
And he is cleaning house. He's rewriting the headline on today's paper.
It's all aces for the dynamic dude.
And my, how has things turned around. The squirt gun.
Yes! See you later, editor-in-chief. Big-time dive there by Bone Crunchin. Belly-to-belly suplex.
It's gotta be.
Shane Douglas and the franchise gets it done.
Your winner, the dynamic dude, Shane Douglas and Brian Bone Crunchin.
Now, just when he thought he was in the direst of dire situations, the dynamic dude to the rescue.
Shane Douglas and Brian Bone Crunchin secure the victory, and folks, you never know what's gonna happen right here on IPWF